Hi guys, good morning. Today we're gonna use a balloon. I was searching my timeline in Instagram and I saw Jen Glover Rick's art. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And I saw her way of balloon smashing. Love the results, so we're gonna try it as well. So I'm gonna blow up the balloon and we're gonna just start. I think this will be good. Come on, Alex, help me. If I don't have you, I don't have a balloon. Okay, this will be my tool for today. Maybe some white in it. Okay guys, this was my balloon smash. It's very messy and I really didn't know what to do, so I just covered the whole painting. Not sure if I'm liking this, but we'll see when it dries. I really like all the different colors, but there's not much of a composition, but it looks like some sort of flowers. I need to try this more often and maybe see if I can get a nice composition, just like Jen Glover does. Well, thank you for watching and till the next video.